I wanted to speak about lighting and shadow when you're dealing with objects that you're bringing into a photograph that already has light established. If you were to bring this apple into this image, it wouldn't look correct with the lighting that the apple has because the light source is coming from the right to the left. The shadow is going to the left. With the apple here, the light source is on the left, not the right. So if you're dealing with an image that has a light source on the left and the image that you're putting it into has a light source on the right, you'll need to flip the image horizontally. Select the layer and do a Command T to transform it. Right-click inside of the transform box and then click on Flip Horizontal and then press Return. Now the object has the light on this side, so it goes well with the image in the background. Keep that in mind for future designs when you're merging photos together.